A lot of you in the room have certain issues you're working on, and they're not dissimilar to what we work on our desk, even with our seven-figure traders. You're overtrading. You have FOMO. You're not big enough in your best trades. You're missing trades. I'm sure that doesn't describe anybody in this room. Okay? And so the question is, well, what do you do about it? I'll offer this challenge to you and an exercise that can really help. It's not going to solve your problem, but it's going to help you get better. And it's an exercise that I've worked with a really terrific Australian equities trader all the way around the world. We call him the Australian Slayer. He's a terrific trader. And the Australian Slayer was not being selective enough in his trades. He was overtrading. And he wasn't big enough in his trades. And he was leaving money on the table. And so we developed this exercise. And we said, your issue is you don't know who you are as a trader. You don't know what your identity is. Sit down and determine your identity as a trader. Who are you? And this trader said, I'm a wait for the moment, intraday catalyst trader. My mantra is thesis plus setup plus see it plus fight for price. And it's not good enough to just intellectually understand those words. You have to internalize them. You have to make them a part of who you are. You've got to develop an emotional connection between that idea and its importance to you. It's got to be important to you that you don't take those piker see-feeler trades that are wasting your time, for which you're dinkering around. It's got to be important to you that you miss your A-plus setups. That's not good enough for you. You're better than that. You expect to succeed. And so what this trader does is he's developed his identity and he sits for 5 minutes before every market session and he sees himself, I am a wait for the moment, intraday catalyst trader. My mantra is thesis plus setup plus see it plus fight for price, and I'm not anything else. And I'm not going to be less than that, and those are my expectations for myself. And so if you're trying to get better at overtrading, and you're trying to get better at sizing up in your trades, and you're trying to get better at FOMO, and you're trying to stop missing your trades, all right, you need to sit down and create a solution so that you get better. It's not good enough to just walk away from a trading session and be like, I missed a trade, isn't that terrible? I overtraded, isn't that terrible? All right, you want to take that next step and create a solution. Your challenge, sit with your identity before the open.